Hello guys, this is Alexander from SHYSKY. In this video, I will share with you different types of our microbrushless DC pump products working at 24 volts and all with speed adjustable function. Yes, these are different pumps with different power levels and parameter character performance. Yeah. First, let's take a brief look at all the retail box. Smaller one, our DC40F 2460A model, 28 watts, 1.2 amps. This is another DC40C 2460A model. Larger one, DC50E 150A model. Then DC50F 150A model. Then our DC50C 2480A model. This is the 160 watts, the serial pump DC55JE 24320A model. And this is a larger one, DC60G 24120A 1 model, 120 watts. And this is the even larger DC80E 24100A 1 model. Yes. From aspect of retail box, we can roughly judge the difference on dimension. Okay, let's take a look at all these special speed adjustable pump products one by one, from smaller to larger. Okay. This is our DC40F 2460A model. Rated wattage 24 watts, rated power consumption about 28.8 watts. Max static lift up to 6 meters and the max horizontal flow rate 960 liters per hour. This is inlet, this is outlet, both are half-inch threaded with external diameter about 2 centimeters. This is the potentiometer knob. To this small pump, we can adjust the potentiometer knob when pump works in a small circulation system to adjust the power and flow to flexibly adjust to the system. This is another small pump with speed adjustable function to our DC40C 2460A model. For aspect of electrical parameters, both are almost equivalent with slight difference, but the main difference lays obviously on the dimension. As we see, this is inlet, this is outlet. Both ports are equivalent, but they are in 180 degree angle. So this is our DC40C 2460A model. Okay, besides from these two tinier brushless DC pumps, the remaining will be more powerful or even more powerful. Yes. This is our DC50E 24150A model. 24 volts, 86 watts, power consumption, max static lift 50 meters and max horizontal flow rate 1500 liters per hour. Of course, from aspect of pulse dimension, they are equivalent, half-inch threaded with external diameter about 2 centimeters. DC50E of our series. Yes, let's take a comprehensive look of its appearance. And the pump is with control box design. This is the brain part to the whole pumping system. Do not be confused with power supply. Yes. This is the power cord, DC head, being plugged with matching 24 volts AC/DC power adapter. And this is the potentiometer knob to adjust the pump's power consumption flow when at work. This is the classical pressure micropressure pump among our series, widely applied for various industries. Okay, obviously it is significantly more powerful than the tinier two. The other pump, let's take a closer look, is our DC50F 24150A model. Actually, its parameters is roughly equivalent as this DC50E, but the main difference lays on the pulse angle. This is inlet, this is outlet, both are 180 angle. This is our DC50F marked here, right? And here it is the arrow showing the water direction. It is also a pressure pump, yes, for different pipe connection. And this is the potentiometer knob tool, equivalent as the DC50E. Another pump, which is similar when compared with our DC50F, but the parameter performance is significantly different. Okay, let's take a further look. This is our DC50C 2480A model. With rated wattage 24 watts, max head 8 meters, max horizontal flow rate about 2,400 liters per hour, 86 watts too. So this pump is more suitable for some circulation system without significant lift difference. But this one are more suitable for some pressure system, for small pressure system, yes, because they are more focused on lift value, on pressure. This pump is more focused on the flow rate value. Okay, these three pumps are almost equivalent from aspect of power consumption, of course. Let's take a look at these two and the tinier two. Okay, the next, this is our serial pump, the powerful DC55JE 24-320A pump model. Let's briefly look at it. It's like a simple combination of two DC50 pumps, but it is perhaps more powerful than the two combined together. Yeah. And as we see, two pump body. This is the rubber base design as the base. And this is the outlet. The other is inlet. Both are also with half-inch threaded external diameter about 2 centimeters. This pump is with max steady lift up to 32 meters, very high. The max horizontal flow rate 2,000 liters per hour, and the power consumption is about 160 watts. This is an excellent pressure pump, obviously more powerful than these two. Yeah. And here, as we see, the control box is larger, right? The brain part. And this is the potentiometer knob. And this is the specially designed 4-pin power connector. But if we as users just cut it off, there essentially exist two sub-cables, one for positive, the other for negative. Yeah. This is our DC55JE 24-320A powerful pressure pump. Okay, next. This is also a single stage pump, but it is larger than DC50E, right? Okay, this is our DC60G 24-120A1 model. 24 volts, max horizontal flow rate 3,800 liters per hour, and the max lift value up to 12 meters. The rated power consumption is about 120 watts. Let's take a closer look at the inlet and outlet. Both are with external diameter about 25 millimeters, 3/4 inch threaded. Yes, outlet, inlet. It's a larger volume when compared with this DC50E, right? Yeah. This is the pump. Yeah. Outlet, inlet. As we see, control box parts, power cord. Yes, this is the potentiometer knob for us as user to adjust the power and flow when pump works in a circulation cooling system. And then let's go to an even larger speed adjustable pump among our series. Yes, it's more heavier. It's our DC80E 24-100A1 model. It is an even larger volume when compared with DC60G, right? Okay, this is the potentiometer knob And this is the power cord specially designed for pin connector. Yeah. Control box part, the brain part of this DC ATE pump. Let's take a look at its parameters. The max steady lift about 10 meters. The max horizontal flow rate can be up to 8,000 liters per hour. The rated power consumption is about 150 watts at work. Okay, single stage. Let's take a closer look at the inlet and outlet. Both are 1 inch threaded, but with external diameter about 32 millimeters. Yes, this is our DC ATE new model. This is our DC60G new model. And let's place this smaller pump DC50E together. Okay, let's briefly summarize. All these relatively larger pumps are equipped with dry run protection mechanism. These two tinier pumps are not. Yes. So, this is a short video to introduce several different types of our micro brushless DC pumps with speed adjustable function and working at 24 watts. So, if you are interested, you can contact us about these pumps or others. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alexander, SHYSKY Tech.